So, good morning, all of you. So, we'll continue from that 9.6 today. So, as we know that in last class till 9.5 we have done all the examples, correct? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9.6 today we'll continue from here. So, as we know that they are saying
Morning, sir.
a bullet of mass, how much? 20 grams
20 grams.
horizontally by
Gram.
velocity of 150 meter per second from the pistol. Understand? So of mass 2 kg. What is the pistol mass? 2 kg. So what
2
is
kg.
the recoil velocity of the pistol they are asked? So as we know that here the given information is a mass of bullet they have given. Next one, it has been fired with a velocity of how much? 150 meter per second from the pistol of mass 2 kilogram. So what is the mass of the pistol? Mass of the
2
pistol?
kilogram.
2 kilogram.
2
So there are
kilogram.
what is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Correct or not? So now,
Yes, sir.
as we know that recoil velocity of the gun. So what is the formula? M1 V1 is equals to M2.
M2 V2.
Correct or not? Yes or no, all of you? So
Yes, sir.
let us discuss now that today. Laksha, please call to Manya and Samya. So now 9.6 example. Can you able to say the given data?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. So as we know that they have given that mass of bullet, let us assume, given, you can keep heading. So mass of bullet, let me assume M1. M1 is equals how much, Ra?
20 gram.
20 grams. Next one. So here you see they are given in grams. So what we have to do? We have to convert it into
Kilogram.
kilogram. Next, velocity of bullet. Velocity of bullet, which is equals to what? V1 is equal
150
to 150 meter per second. Next,
second.
mass of gun is equals. You have to speak. I should not. Mass of gun, or else they have given as pistol. So pistol M2 is equals to how much it is? 2
2 kg.
And the next one they are asking what?
Recoil velocity.
Velocity of the gun. So recoil velocity, let me assume V2. Recoil velocity means what? Recoil velocity of piston, correct? So piston means gun.
Yes, sir.
So V2 is equals to, sorry, pistol. V2 is equals to how much they are asking. So what is the recoil velocity of the gun formula? Momentum formula. So we know that. What is the formula? You should speak. Pradosh, we know what? Momentum of bullet is equals to what?
Momentum of a gun.
Momentum of bullet, which is equals to momentum of
Gun.
So that is what we already know. So what is the momentum of bullet? M1 into V1.
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 M2 into.
V2.
V2.
So this is what we want. Do you understand or not? So
Yes, sir.
M1.
Sir.
M1. You see, observe carefully here. Except this one, all are in water. All are in SI unit. Correct or not? But this is what
Sir.
TGS unit. So we have to convert that into what first? We have to convert it into SI.
Kg.
So M1 is equals to 20 grams. So how we can convert? Please let me know. 20 grams means what? 20 into
1 by 1000.
1 by 1000.
kilogram.
0.01 kilogram, sir.
01 or 02, Pradosh?
02.
02. Understanding, Pradosh? 2 by 100
Sir.
kilogram. That is what? So we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equals to how much, Maunesh? Laksha? 1 by 1000 kilograms.
Kilogram.
Equals to 0.02 kilogram. That's all. Do you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Kilogram.
Yes or no? That is.
Yes, sir.
Now you can substitute. So M1 equals to M1 is equals to how much, Ra? 0.02 into M2 V1 equals how much?
kg.
150, which is equals to M2 is equals to how much? 2 into V2. This is what the formula. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now we want V2. So who is extra here? 2 is
2.
extra here. So 2 is in multiplication. Will come this side?
Division.
Division. That's all.
Division.
So 0.02 into 150 divided by 2, which is equals to what? V2. So now 2 ones are
Two.
75, sir. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. So V2 is equals to 0.02 into 75. So please all of you multiply, and you can keep 2 digits before you can keep the decimals. That's all.
Sir, 1.5.
Or
1.5.
because you see 75 twos are how much, Ra? 75
150.
150. So 2 digits before you can keep the decimal. That's all. So we used to get how much?
1.5
meter per.
meter per second.
So this is what the answer. So at last, what we should write? The recoil velocity of the pistol is thus recoil velocity of pistol is 1.50 meter per second. Please note it down, solve it. Manya and Samya, have you understand 9.6 example? All of you solve this.
Completed, sir.
Yeah.
Finished, sir.
Wait. Solve it, all of you. Manya and Samya, 9.6 have you solved? Manish, you have to work out. If not, very difficult. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manish, Tamil Selvan.
Completed, sir.
Okay. In that group, Darun number is there. Somebody call. Okay. Next one. 9.6 is over. What is next? 9.7.
7.
So let us go with that 9.7 now. So all of you open page number 125. Check it now. 9.7 all of you. So what is this? You can understand carefully. So okay. So tell me. See, textbook they have solved something different. Have you noticed it here? This is a 9.6 question. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is all. See here. Negative sign also
Yes,
comes.
sir.
Negative sign indicating what? Opposite direction. But mean that we no need to solve in this way. This is very difficult method. Correct or not? You can have you seen it? See how difficult
Yes,
it
sir.
the given data itself something like paragraph. So if the same question will come, so many will copy exactly. Correct or not, Elamake? I know that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See how it is happening. Very difficultly they have made it. Correct, Monish? Have you noticed it or not here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we don't want that. Directly single formula we can do it. Correct? Here they are doing what? See, total momentum of gun they are finding. As we know that why we need again zero. Before rust we don't want. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That point. In the case of gun, the gun before firing is rest, so that the momentum is zero totally. That already we know that. Correct?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the use of doing this one? Directly we can equate it and we can solve it. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is they don't know. I don't know what is happening. Okay, let it be. We won't follow them. We'll follow our method only. So let us comes to the example 9.7. See, forget about others. They will follow or not. We don't want. You have to follow our method. That's all. So now 9.7. Which is easy? You tell me. Textbook or ours?
Our, sir.
Our sir.
That is right. Next one. So even your sirs will say that follow this one also. You don't follow. For gun questions, directly you write momentum of bullet is equals to momentum of gun.
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 So we don't want before firing, after firing. This also we can write. Momentum before firing equals to, what is that? Momentum before firing. Understanding? Before firing equals to momentum after firing. But before firing equals to what, Pradosh? Before firing equals to what? Zero.
0.
So we don't want again because again this we
Zero.
have to equate it, this we have to equate it, which is very difficult. Correct or not, Monish?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Next one also same thing you see, right? A girl of mass, how much ra? 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of how much? 5
5 meter per
5
second.
meter per second.
onto a stationary cart with a frictionless wheel. Frictionless wheel means no frictional force is present. So the mass of the cart is 3 kg. What is her velocity as the cart start moving? Understand? Assume that there is no external unbalanced force working on the horizontal direction. So you may understand here very carefully. So here two things are there. What is that? Can you able to say anybody? Two things are there. One is cart, another one is what? Girl.
Girl.
So here in this case, what is come? Again, they are asking what is the momentum. Correct or not? Is it they are asking momentum only? Check your classworks, all of your textbooks. They are asking. What they are asking?
Momentum.
Momentum.
Her velocity, ra. What is her velocity? What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Means after she will jump into the cart, both mass will be added. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Remember? And what is their
Yes, sir.
velocity? Is it separately or together will be present? Together or separately?
Together.
Together they will travel. That is what. So like this sums we already solved. Correct or not? So now
Yes, sir. Trolley sum.
7 example. So very simple. So now first case. Who is that? Girl is running. What is the girl mass? Girl
40 kg.
car. Understanding? This is car. So case 1. This is case 2. And this is girl. Case 1. Understand? Case 1. Now case 3. What is the case 3? After jumping. Understanding? So girl is inside the car. Correct or not? Inside the car.
Yes, sir.
She used to jump and she is present inside. Now what is the girl mass? Initially M1
40
is
kg.
M1 is
40 kg.
40 kilogram. Everybody, Laksha, Samya, Manya, what are you doing? Speak. Darun. So what they are giving? Girl mass equals to 40 kg. What is her velocity? Initial velocity. Initial velocity before jumping into the cart. How much?
0 meter per second.
Girl is running. Already girl is moving. Check the question carefully. Cart is at 0. Do you understand, Lamukil? I will show you the question.
Yes, sir.
You understand, all of you. See here. Observe question carefully. They are saying that a girl of mass. Oh shit! What is this nonsense? Shit. Just wait.
நான் நல்லா புத்திசாலி பேட்டரி சேவரில் போட்டு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் அதனால சார்ஜ் ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் வரேன்.
Oh, it is automatically working. Please wait. Okay. So now you tell me. You take the question. I will do it. I will open again. So all of you read the question. Those who are having textbook, you have a textbook. Correct. You can read the question. So what they are saying? Check it.
The velocity is equal to 5 meter per second.
Wait. Let it wait. Let it. 1 minute. Okay. So now you people may check it. So observe very carefully this question. Very important question. Already we have solved this question. It is not a new question. Just you have to observe. So now read the question, all of you. So here you can see here they are saying that a girl of mass. What is the mass, Ra? Mass of the girl?
40 kg.
40 kg.
Jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second. What is her horizontal velocity?
5
What is
meter
her
per
horizontal
second.
5 meter per second.
5 meter per second means what is our initial velocity? What is our initial velocity? Initial velocity is how much? 5 meter per
5
second.
meter per second.
per second onto a stationary object, stationary cart. Stationary cart means what is the initial velocity of the cart? Cart is
Zero.
0 meter rest,
the
sir.
cart is equals to 0. That is what. So the mass of the cart is equals to how much, Ra? Mass of the cart is
3
equal
kg.
to
3 kg.
given, and it is initially at rest. So once you will jump into that cart, now you imagine there is no external force, unbalanced force working on the horizontal direction. So what is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Means one cart is there, it is at rest. So once this girl will jump into that cart with a 5 meter per second, so that because of her force, the cart also will start moving. So during that, what is her velocity they are asking? Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So that's all. So like same thing. Once he will jump into the cart, what is the mass of the cart, Ra? Mass of the cart plus mass of the girl, both. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
No, that's all. So now, please tell me, what is the case? Laksha, Samaya, everybody tell me. What is the mass of the girl? Mass of the girl is
40 kg.
40 kilogram. What is her initial velocity? 5
5
meter
meter
per
per
second.
second. Next, what is the mass of the cart? Let me assume m2, which is equals to 3
3 kg.
kilogram. Understanding? Next one, what is the velocity, initial velocity of cart? It is at
0.
stationary.
0 meter per second.
Stationary means what?
0 meter per
Rest,
second.
sir.
Stationary means rest. So means in the sense of it is 0 meter per second. If you are not responding, you cannot solve. Now case 3, after jumping, they are saying after jumping. So after jumping into the cart, what is the mass, Ra? After jumping into cart, which is equals to what, Ra? Mass
M1 plus M2.
equals to m1 plus m2. Correct or not? Like same way,
Yes, sir.
velocity v is equals to what? v1 plus v2.
V2.
Understand? So m1 plus m2 is equals to what? 40 kilogram plus
Plus 3 kg.
kilogram, which is equals to 43 kilogram.
43 kg.
Understand? Daron, now velocity both of, after jumping, both will travel with the same velocity. So v1 plus v2 is equals to v only. Correct or not? So now,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula? Conservation of momentum formula. m1 u1 plus
U1
m2 u2, which is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2.
V2.
So now, this together what we should call? m1 v1 plus m2 is equals to mv. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Others, do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
m1 plus m2 u2. Now, please tell me, what is the value? Substitute m1 equals to 40 into
40
1 is equals to 5 plus m2 is equals to how much? 3 into u2 is equals to 0, which is equals to m1 plus m2 equals to 40 plus
43 kilogram.
43 into v. Now observe carefully. Anything into 0, it will become 0. So
0, sir.
0.
45s are how much? 4 5s are 20. So 200
200.
equals to 43 into v. Now v is equals to, here 43 is in multiplication, will come this side.
Division.
Division. Manya, Samaya, please
Divided by
respond.
43.
V is equals to, do this division and tell me fast. All of you. 200 divided by 43. Respond fastly. Do it fast and tell me how much. Who will say? Pradosh, Darun, Laksha, Samaya, Manya. What is this? Nobody will say. Check it. How much, Ra?
double one.
Ah?
4.6.
How much? 43 fours are.
4.6.
43 fours are how much? 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 172. Correct or not? So 172. Understanding? Subtraction, if you do, how much it will come? 28. So you can keep point, you can keep 0. So 4.6 are, how much right is? How much? 4 points. Okay. So that is, so 4.6 meter per second is the velocity. Please note it down. All of you solve. Darun, have you solved, Ra? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Solve. So like this it is going on. So you can leave it. So 4.65 meter per second you can write it. That's all. Your answer is. So we can write what is the velocity? Common velocity. The common velocity of the girl and cart. Understanding? Thus, the common velocity. The common velocity of girl and humra. Girl and cart. Cart is 4.65 meter per second. So please note it down, all of you solve it. Okay, brothers. Laksha, have you solved Laksha? I'm asking you something. Manya, respond me. Happy birthday to your hero, Talaiva. Sorry, Talapati. Enough enjoyment. Speak. Completed. Solra. Okay then. Right, next question. What is the next question? Open page number 126. All of you. So 9.8. So let me see. You have to explain the question. You have to tell me, sir, this has given this, we have to do, sir, like that. So to speak, all of you. So what is the question? Read. So two hockey players, opposite teams. So opposite team means same direction will play. There are others, they will play opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction they will play. Correct or not? So let us
Yes,
discuss.
sir.
So let me imagine who will explain the answer very well. So they are saying that understand the question. Question is very big, but answer is very easy. So now two hockey players of opposite teams, while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. What is the meaning of entangled? Like this. Do you understand? So they collide each other and they become entangled. Entangled means become together. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, one has mass of how much? One has mass of
60 kg.
and was moving with a velocity of how much? Moving with a
5
velocity
meter
of
per second.
5 meter per second.
while the other has a mass of 55 kg and was moving faster with a velocity of how much?
6 meter per
Meter
second.
per second.
Towards the first player. Means two players are coming towards to each other. Correct or not? Going to entangle each other. So in which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? After they become entangled, assume that the frictional force acting between the feet of the two players and the ground is negligible. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So they are saying that.
Sir.
To explain question, somebody, Pradosh, Darun, or somebody, can you able to explain the question, please? I want to know that. What you understand, please let me know.
Sir, we want to find in which direction the velocity is more, sir.
Okay. So now, first one. So as we know that they have given two things here. So we want to find the momentum before collision, the momentum after collision. Correct or not? So which velocity?
Yes,
so
sir.
after entangle, the players with understanding and what direction they will move, we have to say that. Now, for example, let us imagine, all of you, can you able to see that here? So let us start with our two fellows. Let us take now Tamil Selvan and Darun are playing hockey. So now Tamil Selvan is one team and let us, what is this example? 9.8, correct? 9.8 example.
Sir.
So for example, let us take, this is Tamil Selvan, understand? Tamil Selvan and this is Darun. So he is one team, understand? So he is one team. he is another thing. Correct or not? Oppositive. Do you understanding all of you? Now, all of you, do you able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So now, like same previous question. So let us imagine both are coming, both are playing hockey. Hockey they are playing, and this fellow also coming in this direction, and this fellow also coming in this direction. Both are coming and collide each other. Collide means what? Entangled. Entangled means stuck each other.
Entangled.
Understanding? Stuck each other. So now after stucking means after hitting each other, in which directions they will move and what is their velocity they are asking. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now let us imagine that this is what Tamil Selvan. So Tamil Selvan and this is Darun. So mass of Tamil Selvan. Let me imagine. What is the mass of Tamil Selvan, which is equals to what?
60 kg.
40 kg.
60 kg. All of you remember 60 kg. What is the velocity? Initial velocity of Tamil Selvan? Tamil Selvan.
5 meter per second.
5 meter per second. Is it others cannot say? Only Yalamakil is there. Next. Darun, what is the mass? Darun equals to 50.
55 kg.
55 kg.
Velocity, initial velocity.
6 meter per second.
Now, both are entangled. What is the meaning of entangled? Means after collision, collide each other. So
Collide
entangled
each
is the
other.
mass. Both will stuck together. So what is the mass? After entangled, mass would be what? M1
Same.
plus M2, which is equals to M, and V1 plus V2 equals to what?
V.
So after entangle, both will travel with opposite directions each other with the same velocity. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
let us discuss now how it will be happening. So in the pictures also they have given in our textbook clearly. So let us discuss more in detail now. So let us go. What is the momentum formula? Conservation of momentum. Solunga all of you. So mass here M1 plus M2 equals to 55 kg plus 60 kg plus 55 kg. How much it is? Which is equals to 60 plus 55. 115 kilogram.
105.
115. 115. Understand? So now what is the conservation
sir.
of momentum formula? What is the conservation of momentum?
M1 U1 plus M2 U2
M1 plus M1 U1 plus M2 U2, which is equals to what? M1 V1 plus M2 V2.
M2 V2
M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equals to what? MV.
MV.
Understand?
MV.
So now you can check it all of you carefully here. U2 is acting which direction, Ra? U2 is acting which direction? Opposite to the direction of this one. Correct or not? So minus.
Yes, sir.
So it will what will come? It will come as a minus.
Minus.
12. Do you understand it?
Minus 6.
Opposite.
Yes, sir.
Opposite to the first person. Understanding? Opposite to the person. First person. So it is minus. All of you have to remember it. So now you tell me what is the answer? M1 equals how much? Ra? Communicate, man. It is not a kid, it's a small thing. You have-
60 kg.
So what is that?
60 kg.
60 kg. Understand? So M1 equals to 60 into U1 equals to what? 5
5.
meter per second.
Five.
You have to speak. I cannot
Second.
speak every time. So 5 meter per second plus M2 equals to how much? Ra? 55
55 kg.
55 kg.
into minus 6, which is equals to M1. M equals how much? M equals to 115 into V. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, please all of you do it. 65 is how much? 6 5 is
300.
300 plus into minus only. So this minus plus will be replaced with what?
Minus.
Minus.
So 55 6 how much? All of you do it and tell me 55 6 55 6
30, sir.
9.
how much?
9.
330, sir.
330.
330, sir.
330 is equals to 115 into V. Is it yes or no? Now, 300,
Yes, sir.
330 how much? 300 minus 330.
Minus 30.
Minus
Minus
30.
30.
Very good. So, minus 30, which is equals to what? 115 into V. Now, here we want V. V here, M is 115 is in multiplication. Will come this side.
Division.
Division.
So, minus 30 divided by 115, which is equals to
Equal to
So now, please all of you do this division. 30 divided by 115. So won't go. I can keep point, I can keep 0. Now 115 twos are how much ra? 115 twos are 115 twos are 200 and 230. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So 60 is remaining.
sir.
No, 60 not 70. 70 is remaining. So point is there 0. Please all of you check it how much it will come. You have to speak. I cannot say. Now 1156 all of you check it how much. 1156 1156
690. 690.
690. So that's all. So here 10 will be there. Again point. We can keep. Okay, again point is there. We can keep. So 2.60. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
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 All of you. So you can leave it like this. So which is equals to what?
0.26.
0. Minus 0.26 meter per second, which is equals to what? V. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So V equals to what is that? V equals to minus
Minus
0.26.
0.26 meter per second.
Means in the sense of they will go opposite to each other. Correct or not? Ra? With the same
Yes, sir.
they will go what? They will go what? Opposite to each
Opposite.
other. That is what you have to remember. So the two entangled players would move with a velocity 0.26 meter per second from right to left. Means the direction the second player was moving before the collision, how they are moving, same direction they will move. So in textbook you can observe. I will share you the screen. You can see in which direction they will move. Towards to the left direction. Means from towards to the right to the left. Why? Whose speed is more? Ra? Whose speed is more? Whose speed is more? Before collision, whose speed is more? You can check it in here. Whose speed is more? I'm asking.
Second player. Second player.
That is why you can observe here. All of you. 1 minute. It is not working, I think. So now you can see. So this is the players. So this is the person what? Ra? This person, what is the mass? What is his mass?
60 kg.
60. Understand? This person has 60 kg. Understand? Oh, this is a problem. I don't know what is happened to this Foxy trader. Okay, once again I will open. Can you able to see that? Now you see. All of you. Do you understand or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here what is happening? You see. So this person is coming with what? This person is coming 60 kg mass and 5 meter per second. So this person is coming 555 kg and 6 meter per second. So this person is coming opposite to this one. So that is why we have taken minus 6 meter per second. And this person is coming like this direction. So once they will move, they will hit each other. So what is the velocity we have got? Minus 0.26 meter per second. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So after a entangle, how they are moving? Ra? How they are moving? Both are moving towards to the direction of same second player. Correct or not? In the direction the second player was moving before collision. Correct or not? Yes or no? That is what.
Yes, sir.
So the two entangled players would move with velocity 0.26 meter per second from right to left. What is this direction called as? Right to left. So why right to left? Why can't it is left to right? Anybody answer please? Manya.
So mass is more.
Mass is more. That is what? Whose mass is more? Manya? Body 1 or body 2? So
Body 1.
this person,
Body
body
one.
his mass is more. So that is why, even though after entangled, so this person is only will be dominated. So they will move towards to the second person direction. Do you understanding right? In the direction of the second player was moving before collision. Do you understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is. So that is what you have to remember. So this is what this question. So please all of you solve. Is it simple or difficult, Dharon?
Simple, sir.
Very simple. But textbook they have made complicated. Have you seen textbook? They are solving step by something. Correct or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So that is. So all of you please write it. That is what the answer. You have to solve it. We are solving within a single step. Correct or not wrong?
Yes, sir. With single formula.
Yeah, single formula, single step. So we are feeling we no need to get more calculations, confusions and all. Correct or not? So we'll reduce the time
Yes, sir.
much as possible. So you have to solve stepwise. Please solve it. Tamil Selvan, you understand Tamil Selvan? Manya, respond me. Samya, you also. Darun.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So single step. See, most of your sirs,
Yes, sir.
your school, Vyram school, if you'll go anywhere, most of them they will teach according to the textbook. Correct or not? But no textbook will say to follow.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, we can solve our own because a single problem we can solve in a multiple ways, which is most convenient to you can follow that. Means in the sense of sir, maybe they may deduct marks in exam. There is no such a condition. There is no such a instruction in exam. So we can follow our own method, whatever it is convenient. That is. So that is why I will try to make always simple for our children. So we no need to do individual calculation. Somewhere mistake again it will lead to final answer is wrong. So we don't want that. Do you understand? That is what it is. Okay? That is you have to remember it. Do it. So finally answer what will happen? They will move to left to
Right.
right. Means this is left side. So they will move. The first body will dominate into the second body. So they will move the direction of the second body. That's all. All of you do it. Any doubt? Please ask me. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, you can see here. All of you open page number 126. Here you see. If action is always equals to the reaction, explain how a horse can pull the cart. I have told you already. I have taught you or not this one. So horse
Yes, sir.
bend his head and it will try to apply the more force,
Exert more force.
which will be dominating the frictional force of the cart and so that it will start moving it. Next one. Explain why the horse hold a hose pipe, a fireman holds pipe. Why it is? Because of when the water is coming very forcefully from the hose pipe, so that what is happening? Same way, the water will exert the backward force so that the pipe is trying to escape away from his hands. Correct or not? Hose pipe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the answer for this one. So as we know that they will exert a large amount of water at high velocity, so that same velocity, the water will exert the same momentum and the backward force on this pipe. So the pipe is not holding properly, so it will escape from our hands. That is what. So that is what about the second question. I have already taught you this, correct?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
third question. What is the third question? Read all of you. From a rifle of mass, how much Ra?
4 kg.
A bullet of mass
4 kg.
50 grams. You have to tell me, yaar. I am painting everything, mine. Fired with an initial velocity of how much, Ra?
35 meter per
35
second.
meter per second.
Calculate what is this?
Recoil velocity of refill.
Whenever you will see the recoil velocity, immediately what you have to remember?